The flagship machine of HPC's Speedex line of key duplicators is the Power Speedex. The Power Speedex is an industrial-grade, semi-automatic duplicator. There's a safety release on the carriage. Simply push down and push the release lever. The strong spring holds the carriage up against the cutter and the tracer, so you don't need to. The heavy-duty steel base provides strength and stability. The Power Speedex is equipped with a durable motor. It powers the M2 grade tool steel cutter. It's available in 120 or 240 volts for use in lock shops around the world, and in 12 volts DC for use in your mobile lock shop. The machine is equipped with 4-way jaws for holding a large variety of key blanks, including double-sided automotive keys. The jaws on one side are flat and are designed primarily for large pin commercial and residential keys, such as Schlage, Kwikset, or Best. Another side has a lip on the top jaw. The third side has a lip on the bottom jaw. The fourth side has a lip on both the top and bottom jaws. These three jaw sides are designed to hold key blanks by the center milling. They are very effective on automotive blanks. Different keyways will sit differently on the jaws. Use the side that holds the key securely. Each jaw side is designated with a diagram showing the lip configuration. Changing the jaw side is simple. Loosen the wing nut, pull up on the bottom jaw, turn the top and bottom jaws together to the required side. The Power Speedex is equipped with the Softy deburring brush to swiftly remove the burrs from the new keys. With its expansive carriage range, the HPC Power Speedex can accommodate large bow and longer automotive keys. To ensure the new key is cut exactly the same as the original key, the two keys must be positioned exactly the same. The Power Speedex has a built-in shoulder gauge for this purpose. Place the original key in the left side jaw and gently push the shoulder of the key against the shoulder gauge. Holding the key in this position, gently but firmly tighten the wing nut. Repeat this procedure with the key blank on the right side jaw. Some keys don't have a shoulder to gauge against. For these keys, you must use the optional tip gauges. There's one set for standard tip gauge keys and one set for best keys. The notch on the best key blade engages the curved tip on the gauge. For our example, we'll duplicate a Schlage key, which uses the standard jaw and shoulder gauge. Load the original key in the left side jaw, gauging it by the shoulder. Now load the appropriate key blank in the right side jaw, also gauging it on the shoulder. Raise the shoulder gauge out of the way. Switch the machine on. Position the carriage so the cutter and tracer are closest to the shoulders of the keys. To release the carriage, gently push down on the carriage handle while using your index finger to push the release lever to the left. Holding the handle, slowly raise the carriage so the key engages the tracer and the blank engages the cutter. The spring will maintain the proper pressure of the keys against the tracer and cutter. Slowly pull the large handle to the left, moving the carriage from the right to the left, cutting from bow to tip. When the entire key has been traced, lower the carriage and move it back to the right. Repeat the cutting process right to left to make the finishing cuts on the new key. After the finishing cut has been completed, lower the carriage and gently push down on it to lock it down. Switch the machine off. Loosen the wing nut on the cutter side and remove the new key. The brass chips or burrs left on a newly cut key can interfere with the smooth operation of the lock. It's important to remove them before testing the key. All of the Speedex models are equipped with the Softy deburring brush. To clean the key, switch the machine on and brush both sides. Once the key is free of burrs, test it in the lock. The new key should operate the lock smoothly. There are several options available for the Power Speedex machine. With the optional slotting cutter kit, number CW16 kit, you can duplicate safe deposit box and mailbox keys. An optional double-angle cutter conversion kit is also available. The double-angle cutter allows cuts on the keys to be made both bow to tip and tip to bow. This will decrease cutting time while increasing cutter life by allowing cuts to be made in both directions. The Power Speedex is an excellent choice for a busy lock shop. The semi-automatic operation makes cutting large quantities of keys fast and easy work. The durable construction and bronze bearings makes it a dependable, long-lasting machine. It makes the Power Speedex an exceptional investment for your business. Ask your authorized HPC distributor for details.